we'll guide you through how to animate in DaVinci Resolve using the most current methods and UI elements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and head over to the Edit page. Once you're there, you'll want to bring your media into the timeline by dragging and dropping it from the media pool. Now, with your clip selected, click on the Inspector panel at the top right. This is where you'll find all the animation tools you need. To start animating, look for the transform controls in the inspector. You'll see options like position, zoom, and rotation. To animate these properties, you need to set keyframes. Click the small diamond icon next to the parameter you want to animate. This will create a keyframe at the current playhead position. Move the playhead to a different time in the timeline and adjust the parameter. This will automatically create a new keyframe. For smooth animation, you can refine the motion curves. Click on the keyframe icon next to the parameter, then select the ease in or ease out options to create smoother transitions between keyframes. If you're looking to animate more complex movements, switch over to the Fusion page. Here, you can use nodes to create sophisticated animations. Add a transform node by right-clicking in the node editor, select Add Tool, then Transform, and connect it to your media. Adjust the transform properties using keyframes just like in the Edit page but with more flexibility. Once you're satisfied with your animation, go back to the Edit page and play the timeline to preview your work. Remember to save your project to avoid losing any progress. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.